Greetings punters, Ben here, and we are about to draw Grail punt number 437, which is Jason's Dual Ghost Riders. Alright, we are live, and it is 8 minutes past 8 in the evening. 8 minutes past 8 in the evening on the world clock. All right, 93 spots up. So Kane, 93. Michael in number 1. Alrighty. So, Michael at number 1. Looking for anything odd other than that deck fella. Alright, Kane in 93, and we have all of our players. Now do a 3 dice roll. Alrighty, 5 and 1 is 6, and 3 is 9, 3 and 1 is 4, plus 5 is 9. We are going 9 times. Alrighty. It's 1. It's 2. It's 3. It's 4. It's 5. 6. Okay, 7 times. From 5 and 6 and 1, 5 and 1 is 6 and 3 is 9. We have 2 more to go. Okay, that's 7. Right, see we have done 8 rolls, so 1 left. This is it for the win. Good luck, everybody. Oh, was I quick enough? All right, 9 times, 9 times. So your winner of the Dual Ghost Riders. It is Michael Tawney. There you go. Michael, get in touch with Jason. Congratulations on the win. We are done. Alrighty, thanks for playing, and we will catch you next time.